Hi, I'm Hawken with TopDon, and today we're going to show you the new Tornado T30000. This tool is actually used for multiple functions. It can be used for charging batteries. So we actually have 12 volt and 24 volt modes. We've got a 30 amp rate and a 10 amp rate for 12 volts. And then we also have a 6 volt 15 amp rate. This tool also does supply mode. Now, supply mode can be used for things like wheel alignments or key on engine off testing, and the tool will actually put up to 30 amps of current to hold your voltage steady. Now, this is not sufficient for programming any cars. However, it is sufficient to keep that battery from going down when you are doing normal tasks like key on engine off testing or things of that nature, maybe an ADAS calibration. And because it is fairly compact, you should be able to fit it under the hood on most vehicles, which would make it exceedingly helpful, especially in something like an ADAS calibration where you're trying to keep that battery from going dead completely. Now, the tool does have some status lights here. You can see we've got it plugged into the wall, so we've got a green status light indicating we have power. Your mode button is right here, so that allows you to change between all of the modes. And then OK is what you use to start whatever mode you've got it set on. So today, we're going to set it up on this Volkswagen to maintain voltage while we are doing some key on engine off testing. So, we're going to set it to supply like we have here. You can see it's flashing on 12 volts. Going to take the tool back here a little bit. Now, the cables that come with it do have a keyway, so you cannot accidentally connect them incorrectly. And you can also see just by the alignment there that we've got red to red, so no confusion there. Then we're going to figure out which terminal is positive. That's over here on this side, towards the front of the car. We've got a negative here on the back. So we're going to go ahead and hook those up. Okay, we've got the clamps connected. Now we're going to go ahead and hit OK. You can hear the fans fire up on the unit. And we can see we've got a steady status light down here showing that it is supplying, and a green light here showing that it's working. Now you'll also see there's some charge status lights if you are charging a battery here. And you can see there's some additional modes. We've got a normal battery charging state. We've got lithium. We've also got repair. And then we've got normal over on 10 amps. And then 6 volts has normal and repair. 24 volts has normal, cold, so if you've got a frozen battery or it's really cold outside and the battery has a low temperature, lithium, and then also repair on 24 volts. So those are all the different modes on this. And again, it does have a nice fan on it to keep it from overheating when you're using it for a long period of time. So keep this in mind. Great tool for your garage, your shop. It does actually on the back here have some fastener holes where you can hang it on the wall. So a really good tool, portable and whatnot, that you can use for key on engine off testing, alignments, ADAS calibrations, things of that nature. And it does fit under the hood very nicely as well. So again, I'm Hawken with TopDon, and this is just an overview for the T30000 Tornado.